Hey guys, this is me, Mohammed Ayub from Temple VLA, and I will be showing you how to download Java for the Virtual Lab Assistant program. So first you open up your Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, whatever. Um, you let it load, and you go to google.com. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to look up Java JDK, well SDK 7, and then update 55. Okay, and it should, well, JDK whatnot. Scroll down. Okay, and click on the runtime environment. Okay, so 55, update 55 is one of the more current ones, and as you can see they also have update 60, so you can go ahead and download this. um, Update, well, 7, environment 7 or up, it all works for Temple VLA. So what you do is you have to accept the license agreement, and you scroll down. So here's the first task. You need to realize, you have to first know what computer you are running. You go to computer and you go to properties. In the properties you will see what type of operating system you have. I'm running a 64-bit. If you're running a 32-bit, that's perfectly fine. You're just going to download a different JDK. So you go down here and you go to Windows 86 for 32-bit users and Windows x64 for 64-bit. Okay, and you can kind of tell by the file size which one would be the correct one. I'm just going to download this one right here. Actually, no, this one right here. And the 64 tar.gz. Click on it. And on the bottom, something pops up letting you know whether or not you want to open it, save it, download it, all that good stuff. So while that's downloading, you can minimize the window. Yeah, we'll give it a second. Yeah, so 34%. So yeah, one thing you will notice is as you get Java JDK 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as you progress higher up, they have more and more uh, memory associated with them. That's because there's more and more code written for them, as that was developed by Oracle. So we're just waiting for it to finish up on downloading. Yeah, any second, folks. Yeah, this is one of the main parts. There are 3 or 4 parts to this before you can start running the Temple University Virtual Lab Assistant. This one, Java. You need to have Java. You have to install Git, and I'll tell you guys what Git is. You also have to download Eclipse. With that, you will be able to run the code that is necessary to run the virtual lab assistant. And furthermore, you obviously need to download the code, which is from Bitbucket. So yeah, it's up to 63%. Now, one thing you're going to have to do when you have downloaded a new Java runtime environment, you need to go to your environment variables, which is in your system, and you have to set it so the computer will recognize your Java, the Java JDK runtime environment, all that good stuff. That your computer will realize where it is, so it can use the functions the code that has already been written in the JDK. So what you're gonna do is you go to computer. Actually, if you have this is the best. You just type in environment variables. Okay, And what you do is you can go to here, edit the system environment variables, and you'll get to screen environment variables right here. So now let's just say you don't have this search option for whatever reason. You're gonna go down here, you go to control panel, and you go to system and security. You go to system. Okay, bear with me here, I know I'm going a little bit fast. You go to change settings, and you're supposed to go to all the way to advanced. The same screen will pop up. You click on environment variables, and you're gonna notice down here there's a path. So when I'm just gonna click P for path, and it says C program files, common files, all that stuff. So we have to edit the path. This way, what you're doing is essentially you're telling the computer where the commands are, all the Java code that is written that we're downloading right now. It's the essential Java code. Just like with any programming language like C, there are certain libraries that have already been written for functions or methods in this case. So yes, so we'll get back to this in my second video. It appears that the computer is just a little bit slow right now, so after we're done downloading, we'll continue from here. Thank you.